Hello everyone. Welcome to the Science Olympiad Foundation. Today, we will tell you how to fill out the application form for scholarships by SOF Olympiads present in the SOF brochure. These forms need to be filled out by the teachers of the students applying for the SOF Olympiad exams. The first scholarship form is SOF Defense Services Academician Scholarship DSAS. Here, fill in the SOF school code given by SOF. It is different from your school code. Now, fill in the school details like name of school, address, state, PIN code, contact number, school affiliated to, school operating since, school for, principal's name, date, place, and nomination for the student, and the details of the student nominated like name of the student nominated, date of birth, present address, contact number, beneficiary's name, beneficiary's bank details, and do affix a passport size photo of the student attested by the school principal. The second scholarship is SOF Girl Child Scholarship Scheme GCSS. Here, fill in the SOF school code given by SOF, which is different from your school code. Then, fill in the school details like name, address, contact number, etc. Then, fill in the students' details who want to apply for the scholarship. On the next page, fill in the details of other scholarship already availing by the student and student's family details. Make sure to double check all the details, especially the email IDs, contact numbers, and bank details to not make any mistakes. The last form is MTG order form, which needs to be filled out by particular school if they want to order Olympiad study material for their students. We hope this video helped you to understand how to smoothly fill in the scholarship forms and the MTG order form.